Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Joe here from Lazy Lab Acres. In our last video, I was able to complete this rock garden bed with stones that we found on the property, dug them out with the tractor, was able to place them in here. We got some plants. We got hydrangeas blooming already. They've only been in the ground for a couple of weeks. So really happy with how this project turned out. And I knew that I wanted to take the momentum from this project and immediately tackle a walkway right here going from our front steps down into our yard. So all of these projects, I'm trying to be very budget friendly because I want to do a lot of them in a short amount of time. That's just how my brain operates. That's how I want to do it. So trying to keep costs down where I can without skimping on like quality or functionality, because out here functionality is the most important thing for us. But if we can make it look pretty, we try to make it look pretty. So I also, in this whole mission of trying to eliminate as much mud as possible coming into the house from us and from the animals, I just poured a little concrete pad at the bottom of our steps on our back deck. So I got more plans for this, enclosing this, maybe some beds in here, some access in here so that we can utilize this space for storage, all that kind of stuff. So if you like those kind of videos or these kinds of projects, I know I watch them across other YouTube channels for ideas and motivation, and just seeing other people make really cool things with their given space. Make sure you subscribe to us, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. But for these molds here, I'll have some clips showing you the process. It's really simple, and I opted to get one of these irregular shaped pattern molds from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. You definitely want 2 so that you can kind of leapfrog and keep the process going while the concrete cures and all that kind of stuff. But with this mold, you can spin it if you want a more irregular pattern and make it look more randomized. I had some folks tell me that on my Instagram and TikTok videos when I posted a little clip of the process. But that is not what I wanted to do. I like a little bit more symmetry, but I wanted the stepping stone look without everything being square. I didn't want pavers. So I went with 1 row up, spun it, and 1 row down. So that gave me the bigger parts of the mold in the center where we're going to be walking, and then all of these smaller ones fell on the outside. It looks really nice. I filled it with sand to help lock in the stones, and also we put mini clover in here, so hopefully that will germinate pretty soon. And with the mix of the clay that we have naturally here and the addition of sand, hopefully it'll take. If not, we'll adjust fire and come up with a new plan. But hopefully this will be all green and lush in here and will look really nice. Put a hose reel up too. I've got another one of a different brand that I'm going to be putting on the back side of the house. I'm going to do a quick video on that coming up too. So we have animals to water out here, plants to water, so we always have hoses everywhere. And I thought, I don't need that because they're like at least $100. And I just decided enough is enough, and I'm so glad. Already just like a couple days in, really nice. I just mounted to a 4x4 post, and I got, while I'm talking about it, I'll show you. This is just what I do as well. I like to ramble, but it'll be in another video. But I opted for these spikes. So this just goes into the ground, and that takes care of it. So that's what I opted for. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this video now because I see all of the birds squawking and looking into the wood line, which typically means a fox is around, and I hear crows as well. So based on experience out here on this property, there is a fox lurking. So I'm gonna get the dogs back out here, let them do their job, and keep our animals safe. But thank you guys for tuning back in. We appreciate the support that we get from you here on YouTube, on Instagram, on our Facebook page, on our TikTok account, and all of the custom orders that you guys place with us for signage, hats, laser engraving services, all that. We really appreciate every single bit of it. So if you like the content, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends. I love watching this kind of stuff, and I love doing it myself. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next video. Let's go find the fox.